Hi, Scott Machine Gun Dad. What's in front of me? Well, that's an 0815. Which 0815, Scott? Tell us. Well, I'm telling you. This is the one out of California. But that's not what the video is about. Most 0815s come with one of these. This is the original drum for the 0815. And you'll see it. What you don't realize is the belt that goes in this drum magazine is a specific 100 round belt made specifically for this drum. And there are hardly any of them left. As a matter of fact, I've only ever seen one. And guess what, boys and girls? There it is. Point of the video. We're going to show you how the original belt loads in the original drum. I don't think anybody ever has done a video on this because these are unobtainium. And then we'll be back to talk about it. So give me a second to move stuff out of the way. I'm going to take this out of here and I'll show you how it works. Alright, here's the drum. I'm going to open the drum up. Now, I understand if you own a Maxim gun, you already know this, but there are a lot of people out there that might just be watching this and they don't have a Maxim gun. So you open up the drum. Now, before we do that, you should be aware that as the drum hangs on the gun, you have this little winder, and you can still see the writing. That's how you take up the drum. If you're loading the drum in the carrier. If you're loading the drum, if you open the carrier, there's a little lever here, unlocks it. This comes right out. Okay, we're going to load it with it in there, but I want to show you something on this that makes this unique. Give me a second. We're going to pause and I'm going to move some stuff around. We've moved in on the belt, and the reason we've moved in on the belt, you'll see that it has these spacer tabs that hold the belt secure, and the browns go in between it, and these are over travel tabs. So the tip of the bullet would come up like my finger. This belt has this. And why does it have this? Because it has a tab at the end here. You wind it, as you're winding, this takes up against the spool and gives the belt something to grab onto. And I was thinking about that. I'm thinking, that's not a really good system. Like it would slip if you were out in the field trying to wind it. Well, then I looked at this and I thought this was amazing. Now, you're taking this as 1915. Can you see that right where my fingers are, Shannon? Right here. Those three little tabs there correspond to the three holes. 1, 2, 3 on the belt, on the last tab of the belt. So now, see, it's locked in. Now give us a second because I got to move it around again. All right, spools in the drum. Tab goes on the tab. Now, this would normally have weight on it because there would be bullets in here. Front's this way. So I'm going to wind it, showing you how it works. Now, I don't have any bullets to add weight to this, but as you can see, you wouldn't want bullets at the beginning part because you want it to get a grip on the wheel. Now we'll turn it this way a little bit. I'm going to ask you to keep just a hair tension on that, Nick, so like it has weight. You would close this, and then you would sit there lower it down a little bit and bring it out to right there. Now if you watch here, here's your little spring-loaded tabs. You can lock it all the way in, so when this sits on the gun, it will come in and it'll just feed. Now, when you want it to feed and you're not winding it, you put it over that way, and lo and behold, the gun will draw it out as it needs to. So there you have it. This drum, which is on a lot of 0815s, requires this belt to work. So before people start sending me a bunch of messages, hey, you want to part with that belt? Because the last one I saw was close to $800. No, I do not. However, the belt comes with the drum. The spool comes with the drum, and the drum comes with the 0815. I might let the set go. If you're interested, let me know.